Hi everybody, I am just passing by to remind you that, as I said, the Road to Fluency workshop is going to be very interactive. You guys are going to be taking part in quizzes, polls, word walls and much more. And for all these to happen, we are going to use a tool called Wooclap. Now for Wooclap to run smoothly with the live for the workshop that's going to be taking on YouTube, we have a few situations. If you can watch the workshop from a computer, that is the best scenario because you will be able then to work with two tabs. The YouTube tab where the live will be running and the Wooclap tab that I'm going to talk to you about in a few seconds. Now, if you are watching from your phone or from a tablet, you will then need to have a second device with you because you cannot connect on your phone, or I believe that most phones do not allow you to connect on YouTube and another internet tab at the same time. You will end up getting disconnected from YouTube. And Wooclap does not run all alone. You need to stay connected with me on YouTube so you hear my questions, you hear my things, so you then be able to interact on Wooclap. So if you are in a computer, best scenario ever. If you don't have a computer, then I would suggest that you either try and get a second phone or a second tablet for you to be able to interact. Now, if that's not a possibility for you, that's okay. You guys will still be able to share your answers commenting on YouTube. Now, how Wooclap works. You guys have to go to www.wooclap.com with double O. And once you press enter, you are going to see this orange bar which says event code. Right now, just to use as an example for you, my event code is RTF, which is an acronym for Road to Fluency 00. Then you are going to click go and you are going to be now connected with me on Wooclap, okay? It's not going to be the same code at the time. I will let you know what's the right code then. But just for, just to show you this demo, this is the code that would work. If you try it now, it won't work, okay? It's just because I am running Wooclap here on the dashboard and you guys can get connected there. Now, once you are on Wooclap with me live and I am running the event as well at the same time with you, you guys will then be able to see my questions. As you can see here, I have an example, where are you from? So all you have to do is to type the place where you come from, you click submit and your answers will come to me straight away and I will be able to share some of your answers with all of you guys. Some of them I'm going to be checking on them myself, but that's what it works. As soon as I change the question changes to you as well. So in this case, what's your first name? I'm going to type here, Amanda, I submit, and the name comes to my main screen, okay? There are many more other types of questions, but I will be guiding you guys on the use of these questions as we use the application Wooclap. Now listen to me carefully. Tomorrow, Sunday, August 13th, so Sunday, August 13th, I will be running a warm-up session with you guys on YouTube. It's not the workshop, it's just going to be a 20-minute quiz that I am going to have live on YouTube just to give you guys a taste of what Wooclap is like and how it works, so you are fully ready and prepared for the workshop on Tuesday. This testing session, it will be at 3 o'clock UK time, August 13th, Sunday, okay? I'm going to be waiting for you guys just so you can test Wooclap. I can see you guys how you are reacting to Wooclap, so we are fully ready and prepared for the very first day of our workshop, which is on Tuesday, August the 15th, again at 7 p.m. UK time, okay? Thank you so very much for staying with me in this video up to now. If you have any questions about Wooclap, you can always reach me via email or you can DM me on Instagram as well. Thank you so very much, and I either see you tomorrow for this warm-up session, or I'll see you on Tuesday 7 p.m. for our 7 p.m. UK time for our day 1 workshop Road to Fluency. Bye bye guys.